So this is my new luxury phone, the Samsung Galaxy A13 5G. At bago niyo ako i-bash dahil ginamit ko ang word na luxury, pag-usapan muna natin kung ano nga ba meaning talaga ng luxury. Hi guys, ako pa si Richmond ng Gadget Sidekick and welcome back to my channel. So, define muna natin ang luxury. Sabi dito ni Merriam-Webster, what's the real meaning of luxury? Ito sabi niya, something desirable but costly or hard to get. So, in layman's term, ang meaning ng luxury is something na gusto mo na mahirap mo makuha dahil 1, kulang ka sa pera, 2, pinag-iipunan mo pa, or 3, dahil medyo out of your budget. Now, sinabi ko siya luxury phone, it's because previously I'm using a lower unit. Budget ko is around roughly mga nasa 7,000 pesos. Now, itong Samsung Galaxy A13 5G is currently priced at 9,129 pesos. And previously, ang original price is 11,490. Now, dahil sa kanyang discount, na-afford ko siya. It was previously one of my dream phone na hindi ko siya abot kaya. Now, since nag-sale si Samsung, nabili ko siya. So, I'm really happy. Now, sinabi ko luxury siya dahil previously ito phone na ito is priced at 11,500 pesos. Ma-enjoy ko na siya. And previously, syempre, sabi ko sa inyo, gamit ko is a 7,000 pesos worth of phone. Ito was really unreachable sa akin. Now, ma-enjoy ko na siya dito sa aking kamay. Right now, let's dig a little bit deeper. Pag-usapan muna natin ang design niya. Kita natin ang phone na ito, it has a unibody design. Ang ganda ng kanyang likod. And this one is the color orange. And currently, itong phone ko has a 4 gigs of RAM and 120 gigs of storage with triple camera lens dito sa likod, isang LED flash. Sa ilalim, meron siya loudspeaker, Type-C port, microphone in, of course, andyan pang kanyang audio jack. On the other side, fingerprint scanner / power button, and of course, andyan din ang kanyang volume rocker. Sa ibabaw, just a noise cancelling mic. On the other side, andyan ang kanyang SIM tray. Now, sundutin muna natin. So, kita natin, it has a triple card slot, which can support dalawang 5G na nano SIM and isang micro SD na expansion. Itong phone na ito is being powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 700, which is a 7 nanometer na chip. It's a more of a mid-ranger na chip, which can definitely give you some good gaming experience, and multitasking is also okay dito sa chip na ito. And of course, another property na gusto ko din sa kanya, based on my previous experience, is okay ang kanyang battery experience. Checking some benchmark dito sa Antutu benchmark. I was able to score a 252,000 points dito sa Antutu benchmark. And kita rin natin ang kanyang breakdown scores. Ito naman nakuha niya dito sa Wildlife. And ito naman sa Geekbench. Sabi ni DRM Info, kaya na mag-achieve ng level 1 na security level dito. Meaning, you can watch HD freely dito sa phone na ito on your favorite online streaming apps. Now, itong phone na ito has a 6.5-inch na PLS LCD na gawa ni Samsung and 90 Hz of screen refresh rate ang meron din na dito. Ang screen-to-body ratio is around 82%, which I think it's because medyo makapal ang kanyang mga bezel dito, mapaibabaw at ilalim. Mas makapal nga lang kanyang baba. Now, you can freely choose between light theme or dark theme dito sa loob ng settings. And you can choose between 90 Hz of screen refresh rate or standard 60 Hz. Of course, since meron siya 90, gamitin na natin ang 90 Hz. Now, watching videos dito is definitely okay. Smooth naman siya. And one of the things na gusto ko dito sa kanya is okay, bright ang kanyang display. I was able to watch some of the movies na gusto kong panoorin dito, and it's good. Ang display na dito is definitely okay. I was able to enjoy the things that I'm watching dito sa phone na ito. Scrolling on social media is okay dahil smooth naman experience ko dito thanks to the 90 Hz of screen refresh rate. So, mapa-TikTok man, Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, lahat okay naman. So, one of the things na napansin ko dito sa kanya is isa lang kanya loudspeaker dito sa ilalim. So, definitely, hindi ganun kalakasan ang kanyang sound. Well, pag magpatugtog ako sa Spotify, okay lang naman, pero hindi siya ganun kalakasan. Which probably prompted me to buy one of these. Ang Plextone na G20 Mark IV, and I've been using Plextone for quite some time, and one of my favorite color is green. So, binili ko to Mark IV just to be able to pair with the Samsung Galaxy A13 5G to give me that better experience when I'm playing games, watching videos, and doing some of my other tasks like, well, talking on Zoom. This one will definitely help a lot. Now, one of the things na gusto ko dito sa G20 na Mark IV is ang dami ng mga buds na pwede mo pagpilian dito. At the same time, kung ang phone mo ay walang audio jack, well, you can always use this one. Now, ito ang gusto ko talaga kay G20 na ang likod niya is magnet-based. So, it's easy to use it. Hindi siya mabilis mabilis siya mag-liquid. Flip mo lang itong dalawa and it's very neat tingnan. So, sabi na dito, meron siyang custom tracker na esport driver na foot first sound effect. So, this is a new ability na meron dito sa G20 Mark IV na is quite exciting for mga gamers out there. Then, itong volume control niya is also improved, mas sensitive na as per the manufacturer. Try ko itong headset na ito sa G20 Mark IV ni Plexton, be it sa Spotify, listening to YouTube music, or just watching videos on YouTube or Netflix, or just simply playing some games. Okay siya. And I like the design and masarap siya sa tenga. No? Hindi siya nakaka-irita sometimes sa tenga pag matagal mong suot. This one is definitely okay. So in order to enjoy this one with the Galaxy A13 5G, you just have to plug it here. Then makikita mo lalabas ang headphones na logo dito. So if you're interested with this one, see Plexton na G20 Mark IV, link on the description. Now, tinry ko rin maglaro ng games nito together with the Plexton G20 Mark IV. I was able to enjoy this one and the game was okay. You cannot set it to the highest setting possible sa Call of Duty Mobile, but definitely, I assure you na smooth naman ng game. Though, mafe-feel mo talaga may frame drops, of course. This is a Dimensity 700. You don't expect too much from this one, but playing some light games and yung hindi highest setting, kaya-kaya naman ito phone na ito. And I was able to get through Call of Duty Mobile for roughly mga 2 hours and I was really able to enjoy it. Some of the battles, I was really excited to win. And of course, the touch dito sa screen was okay. Responsive naman siya. And together with the Plexton G20 Mark IV, I was able to listen to yung footstep niya and wala naman ako na-feel na delay sa mga footstep niya. So, definitely okay. Ang phone na ito has a 5,000 mAh of battery and, well, of course, support niya up to 15 watts of wired charging. Now, one of the things na talagang wala kay Samsung is a charger. And probably the next thing na tatanong mo sa akin kung anong chargers ang marirecommend ko, I have 3 of them here. One is itong kay Yugyu na Nexon Mini 30 watts. This is a very portable charger na madalas ko bitbit sa aking bag. That's sobrang liit niya. And it's really easy to bring wherever you go. Now, if hindi ka kontento, you can always use a higher wattage. This is the Nexon 45 watts na charger, the U-Green. And ideal siya for charging phones and even laptops. And ang ganda sa kanya, 2 port ang meron niya. Now, kung mas hindi ka pa kontento, there's another one. Si U-Green na GAN charger na 100 watts. You have 4 ports dito sa gilid, 3 C, and isang Type A. So, well, what's nice dito is, well, support niya mga fast charging ng phones. Well, probably except the A13 5G. If you have higher phones which supports mga 45 watts, 66 watts, 100 watts, 120 watts, I think pwede mong gamitin to as your charger na pwede mong bitbitin. So, hindi lang isang kaya na i-charge, hindi lang 2, hindi lang 3, kundi 4 na phone ang kaya na i-charge sabay-sabay. Now, if you're interested with these 3 chargers na binanggit ko, I'll be linking it on the description box below. Now, ginamitan ko ng 45 watts na fast charger dito, C2C, charging this one, si Samsung Galaxy A13 5G. I was able to achieve from 10 to 100 in just 2 hours. Hindi siya ganun katagalan, no? Normally, pag sinabi mo mga support na 15 watts, tagal yan, mga 2.5 hours. Pero surprisingly, this one was able to finish in just 2 hours of charging time. Another surprises, sabihin ko sa inyo, the Samsung Galaxy A13 5G can withstand 15 hours of screen on time. Now, this is being tested under si PC Mark battery stress test under 90 Hz of screen refresh rate and 50% brightness. So, I was really surprised na mataas ang nakuha niya. No? Probably if you set it at 60, maybe makukuha mo dito around 17 hours, kulang-kulang. Now, on my daily usage, I can say na okay naman siya, was able to last me for 2 days or even beyond 2 days, 2.5 days. I think no problem with this phone. O basta light usage ka lang on social media, watching videos and playing some mild games. Kayang-kaya na ito phone magtagal definitely walang problema pagdating sa battery. I told you earlier na si MediaTek Dimensity 700 is a battery efficient chip. Right now, pag-usapan naman natin ang kanyang camera. This one has triple camera lens and it's being started with the 50 MP na main camera sensor together with a 2 MP na macro lens niya and 2 MP na depth sensor. This one can shoot up to 1080p and 30 FPS. And ang kanyang teardrop notch na selfie camera is a 5 MP na front-facing shooter. Now, taking it outdoors, I was able to take in some nice shots. Though, there are times na pansin ko medyo namumuti siya konti. But given proper lightings, I think it was able to capture some really nice shots din sa outdoors. But probably, masyadong maliwanag lang araw kaya medyo nag-glare siya ng konti kaya medyo namumuti. But overall, I can see yung kanyang camera shots outdoor is okay. Pagdating naman sa indoors, some of these shots are okay, but there are some of these shots na medyo madilim, medyo nahihirapan konti itong si Galaxy A13 5G. Overall, pag binigyan mo ng konting ilaw na maayos, I think this phone can capture in some really nice shot din, even indoors, na low light. Now, here are some sample videos na nakuha ko using the front-facing camera and the rear camera. So guys, this is Samsung Galaxy A13 and I'm using it for vlogging using the front-facing camera. And of course, recording at FHD, 30 FPS. This is the resolution you'll be getting if you're using it for Zoom, for vlogging, or for just simply Viber video calls. And the audio is recorded using the default microphone. What do you think? Hit the comment section below. Now guys, ang Samsung Galaxy A13, I can see na for its price point, now guys, itong Samsung Galaxy A13 5G right now mabibili mo at around 9,125 pesos. I can say the specs is pretty nice for its price point. Now, sinabi ko rin siya na luxury phone siya dahil I believe na yung mga specs na nasa kanya is something na I can be proud of. Okay siya, labas, may enjoy ko siya on a day-to-day basis, mapa-browse yung social media, playing some games, and even using it for vlogging. Okay na okay itong phone na ito at its price point. And guys, kung gusto nyo malaman kung saan nyo pwede mabili ito, I'll be linking on the description box below. Just check it out. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click nyo na rin bell icon para hindi nyo miss mga future uploads dito sa aking channel. So, ako pala si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up?